Okay, we're starting up a new reef tank here. And on this one, I am not going with live sand or live rock up in the display tank. I'm gonna make sure that I don't get any kind of hitchhikers. So this is what I chose. It's the Carib Sea Aragonite. And I think it looks great. It's the right size so that it's not blowing around, but yet you can still have burrowing creatures. Probably should have turned the lights up first. So yeah, there it is in the display tank. That's 150 gallons. So that's 5 foot by 24 inches, 5 foot by 2 foot. And between that and my sump, I used 3 bags. That rubble right there came with the Marco Rock. It was just stuff that broke off. That's not part of the Carib Sea Aragonite, but the stuff underneath it is. So that's the Carib Sea. So the plan is we're going to try to seed this Aragonite from live rock down here, and if I have any hitchhikers, I'll grab them out of the sump. Hopefully before they get into the tank. Just trying to do as clean an install as possible and start fresh and avoid all the problems that you typically get with live sand and live rock, and where you just plunk it into the display tank.